At Robert Cliff Master Jewelers, creating a bespoke piece starts with a conversation. You choose your diamond or gemstone, and we guide you through the options so you can select the stone that feels right for you. From there, you work with us to shape the design. We develop the concept through detailed drawings, CAD designs, and wax models, so you can see the piece take form before it is made. Once the design is approved, we craft it in our workshop using precious metals and expert techniques refined over years of experience. Each detail is carefully finished by hand, and your diamond or gemstone is set with precision and care. The result is a piece designed around you, made by skilled jewelers and created to be worn and treasured for years to come.